Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're finding these Roam research insights helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Square Capital, a financing option offered by Square. Specifically, we'll be exploring Square Capital's website at https://squareup.com/capital. This platform provides funding designed to help businesses grow. They offer loans specifically tailored to merchants who use Square's point-of-sale system, leveraging sales data to streamline the application and funding processes. One of the key advantages highlighted on their website is the transparency of their fee structure. They present a single, fixed fee upfront, so you know exactly what to expect. Repayment is also integrated with your Square sales, meaning a percentage of your daily card sales automatically goes toward paying back the loan. This automated repayment structure can simplify financial management for busy business owners. Square Capital emphasizes its speed and efficiency, suggesting that eligible merchants can receive funds as quickly as the next business day. The website highlights the potential for businesses to use these loans for a variety of purposes, such as purchasing new inventory, upgrading equipment, or expanding their operations. They also emphasize accessibility, aiming to provide financing options even to businesses that might not qualify for traditional loans. While the site provides a general overview of the program, it encourages potential borrowers to pre-qualify through their Square dashboard for personalized loan offers and more specific details. This personalized approach allows Square Capital to offer tailored financing solutions that align with individual business needs and sales performance. They also highlight the integration with the broader Square ecosystem, making it a convenient option for existing Square users. The site emphasizes that pre-qualifying won't impact your credit score, encouraging merchants to explore their options. Finally, the page offers various resources and contact information for merchants seeking further assistance or clarification regarding the program.